We had one of the warmest Januaries on record, but things are changing, especially tomorrow night into Tuesday. So let's start with it. We have a lot to talk about in weather, and depending on where you're watching, things are going to be so different. If you're watching northwest of the Metroplex, your chance of snow is much better. To the south, it's mainly rain. So we have clear skies tonight across North Texas. Here's our next storm system in the Four Corners. It dives pretty far to the south into Mexico before making a little hook into Texas, and that puts us in a prime position to see at least a little bit of wintry weather. So what's the timeline look like? Tomorrow is quiet. We wake up to temperatures near freezing across North Texas, and high temperatures are going to be in the middle 50s in the afternoon. Let's take a look at what happens Monday night into Tuesday. There are the clouds thickening up across North Texas. We see widespread rain across the Dallas-Fort Worth area at 7 a.m. Some of this will be heavy too, and you can already see there's a chance we'll start to see some snowflakes falling in areas like Graham up to Wichita Falls into the west. Then we get into the late morning into the early afternoon. There's midday. That transition starts to happen a little bit closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So Tuesday morning, what should you expect? Just a cold rain for most of North Texas, and some of it may start to mix with snow as soon as Tuesday morning in areas like Gainesville, Decatur, over to Graham and Bowie. However, and this is important right here, temperatures at the surface stay above freezing. That means little to no accumulation, even in the areas that see mainly snow. Then as we head into Tuesday afternoon and early evening, it's widespread, very cold rain, and it will be heavy at times too. Maybe even some thunder. That's not out of the question. There could be some thunderstorms too. Then at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, see that line right there? Albany, Graham, Gainesville, Sherman, we start to see that transition to a rain-snow mix, and then it starts to creep into the Metroplex late in the afternoon and early into the evening. Parts of the Metroplex seeing a little bit of snow at that time. So the rain-snow mix goes down a little bit farther to the south for the afternoon and evening. Cleburne, Waxahachie, Canton, Terrell. Then a transition to mainly snow showers to the northwest, Decatur, Mineral Wells, and Breckenridge. Then Tuesday night, we're on the backside of the system, and I want you to watch how brief this is. It's important. You see a brief transition to mainly snow Tuesday night, just some snow showers through the evening. It exits by midnight, it's out of here. Then it's just cloudy and cool. And again, temperatures will stay mainly above freezing. So we're not expecting travel problems because of that reason. Now, there could be some elevated surfaces, some overpasses to the northwest of the Metroplex that get a little bit of slush on them, but most of the chance of accumulation will be in the grassy surfaces, and the precip starts to taper off late Tuesday night. So here's your accumulation chance. Dallas-Fort Worth area, little to nothing. There may be a little bit that sticks to some of the grassy areas Tuesday night. You have to go into Denton County, Cook County, Fannin County, Wise County to maybe see a coating on some grassy areas where there may be a ½ inch to 2 inches of snow. Red River counties, and especially out toward Bowie, Archer City, Seymour, and Wichita Falls. The accumulations mainly on the grassy surfaces, so travel issues are not likely. However, we've talked all about this winter weather. We need this. We're expecting about an inch of rain across all of North Texas, so everybody should cash in on a pretty good soaking rain Monday night through Tuesday night. Tonight, 33, dry, cold, with light winds and clear skies. Tomorrow, 57, a light breeze, a cool day with sunshine. There's the next 10. There's a really good chance of rain on Tuesday and some snow mixing in, but look at the temps. A high of 43, the low that night, 35. That's still above freezing, and that's crucial. 48 degrees on Wednesday, and a little brief pause in the wintry weather for the weekend. We're back into the middle 60s.